Peace, beautiful beings. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are making smoothies. We're gonna be making smoothies, and this is gonna be the first time that I'm ever gonna be doing this. So let's have fun. I went to Trader Joe's today and I literally bought fruits that came up to $20. It's low-key drizzling right now, but I don't mind it. I don't mind being outside. I love the rain. I love being outside. The fresh air feels amazing, so don't mind the paper, but I just wanted to come with the receipts. So this is not going to be a how-to video because I'm literally just doing it on the fly. I'm adding the different fruits that I want because I'm seeing the color smoothie that I want to see. So we have a variety of greens, yellow and reds and pinks, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited because honestly, sometimes I don't feel like eating. Let me know in the comments if you guys are like that. Like, let me know if you guys just wake up sometimes or go about your day and you find yourself like, wow, it's like 2 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything yet. Right? You know, so I tend to really enjoy smoothies. And when I do drink my Irish moss smoothies, which you will see me make later on in this video, I tend to only eat once a day, and usually that's just a really big salad, or it's maybe beans and quinoa or couscous, or you know, something really light as a dinner option. But smoothies really do make me feel full, especially if I hydrate throughout the day as well. It's like I drink a smoothie and then I hydrate, or I eat some fruits, and then I'm not just as hungry anymore. So I really just wanted to make this video so I can document how I actually made these smoothies. Because sometimes, don't you hate when you're like, dang, this one was really good, but I forgot what I put in it. So we're going to be just documenting. Hope you guys enjoy this video for real. But before we get started, let's talk about the fit. Let's talk about this fit brought to you by G-Mob, my little brother. I'm so proud of him. From head to toe, I am G-Mobbed out. This is a hoodie from him, and these are some beautiful velvet sweatpants from him. I just love that my little brother is doing his thing, you know, and I get to support him along his journey. Honestly, wearing this makes me feel very chic and like hip and street. I'm like, okay, I feel like I'm stepping out in my best gear, you know, and it's literally, you know, family support. And you know, and if you guys have friends or families that have started their own entrepreneur journey, whether it's selling anything or just trying to get their business out there, support is so free. Me speaking about this is supporting. I don't have to buy anything from anyone, but let me just tell y'all how good I feel in my G-Mob. You know the mob, you know we do this. You know we do this. You know we praising the Most High, that's what we do this. You know we praying and elevating, you know we do this. You know we feeding the birds and they coming to our doorsteps, you know we do this. I should make a poem about, you know we do this. Anyways, let's get started on this. Thank you guys so much for watching this smoothie video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you guys actually try one of these. I have a feeling that because in that green smoothie I didn't add pineapples or oranges, it's not going to be how I usually taste it. I put a lot of lime and lemons in there, so hopefully the taste of the kale really kind of neutralizes. But I'm gonna enjoy it regardless because I know it's good for me. And y'all, we need to stop telling ourselves that being healthy is too expensive. I just showed y'all the receipts. My receipt is getting wet as we speak. It's not. That John cost me $30 and I made 8 or 9 smoothies out of that. So we got to really get ourselves fit, healthy, you know, mentally, you know, because the food that we consume really play a huge toll on our emotional balance in our lives, you know, where our head is at mentally. So eating is not just a physical thing, it's very, very spiritual. And I hope that I continue to stay on the path of transitioning to just vegetarianism, honestly, because it makes me feel good. And this is the channel of choosing things that make us all feel good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share with your family members and friends this smoothie, because I know I will. Peace and blessings.